Target return confirmed.
Towel speed steady.
Launch sequence initiated. Umbilical tracking green. ROV entering water.
Thrusters holding steady at 50%. We have a visual on the debris field.
Visual on target. Pilot, stabilize your position. We need a closer look at that severed end.
Copy that. Stabilizing now. The damage is significant. Visible oil leakage from the...
Do your final checks now.
Dive checks complete. Zone established.
Adjusting thrusters to compensate for the swell. We are holding position.
Confirmed. Maintain present coordinates.
Marker set. Confirmed.
Plan approved. Plan approved.
Shackle allied. Frame lowering.
Sling connected.
Tension increasing.
Pins secured.
Affirmative, the load path is clear at the equalizer.
Noted. Keep the ascent steady. We are clear of the damage section.
Pre-lift checklist complete. Hold at test load.
No movement observed. Proceed with breakout.
Acknowledged.
Breakout achieved. Supervisor, we have positive tension on the lift lines.
Copy that, pilot. Maintain controlled descent. Watch for pendulum effect.
Depth decreasing.
Balance confirmed. Surface achieved.
Drain complete. Slow.
Landing complete. Landing complete.
Put tension on that forward binder. Okay, that's tight now. Looks good. Let's move to the next one. Fastening verified.
Port in sight. Clear of deck.
Despacio, despacio. Aquí está bien. Listo con los frenos. A la izquierda un poco más.
Containment ready. Heart rate growth removed.
Cavities drained.
Lugs within spec. Indication marked.
No lift damage noted.
No lift damage noted.
Connectors sealed. Connectors sealed. Very good.
Transport ready.
Chemical damage is significant here at connection point 3,
Confirmed. Logging the extent of the fraying now.
and the cradle restraints appear secure.
Mission objectives met.
Line.
ID confirmed.
All right, bug right up.
Condition logged.
Receipt acknowledged.
Thanks.